Hello boys and girls, it's Miss Appel. Today we're going to be talking about tattling versus reporting. Whoops, I got a little mixed up right there. So let's talk about the definition. So tattling is when you tell on someone to get them in trouble. So that's when you go to an adult and tell on them something about them or that they did or said, and it's mostly just to get them in trouble. Reporting, on the other hand, that's when you tell an adult something that's dangerous or if someone's hurt. So you always have to ask yourself, is someone hurt? Is something dangerous happening? If you say yes to those, then you get to tell an adult, and that's considered reporting. Okay? So we're going to have a couple examples, and you're going to shout out what you think it is. Is it tattling or reporting? So the first one is, someone accidentally stepped on my new shoes. If you said tattling, that is correct. You see, as you guys are getting bigger, there are more and more things that we can do to help solve these little problems that are kid-sized problems. But if it's a huge problem, then an adult has to handle it. So in this case, was something dangerous happening when someone stepped on my shoes? No. Was someone hurt? No. Therefore, it's tattling. Good job for those of you who got that. Here's another one. Some kids wouldn't let me play tag with them. So let's see. Is something dangerous happening? Is someone hurt? In this case, no. I might have hurt feelings, but there's no hurt injury. So this would be tattling. All right, so here's the next one. I overhear some kids talking about beating up another kid at recess. So if you guys guessed it, if you said reporting, you guys are absolutely correct. Because someone is going to get hurt. That's why it's important to tell an adult. So good job to those who got that. All right, here's another one. Someone is tapping their pencil and it's really annoying. Let's see. If you said tattling, then that is correct. Good job, boys and girls. All right, here's the last one. Let's see if you can get it. One of my classmates tells me that they brought a knife to school. So, if you said reporting, you are right, because something dangerous is happening, because a knife is a dangerous thing to have, and you don't know what they're going to do with it. So that's why it's important to report to a teacher immediately. So now that we understand, there's some things that we need to tell an adult right away because it's dangerous or someone's going to get hurt and things like that. But all the other problems, we have a whole new way to deal with those. Because like I said, you guys are going to be big, and part of growing up is being able to solve some of your own problems. That's why we're going to work with this whole chart. We have a whole chart that helps solve your problems in all these different ways. You have so many choices. And the idea is what we do is you want to try at least 2 to 3 strategies. And if it doesn't work then you could probably tell an adult because you at least tried to solve it on your own. But if it's a big problem, remember, we have to report right away. So in my next video, I'm going to go over more on what this chart is and how we can use it. So good job today, boys and girls.